speaker before me from Ghaziabad, Pandey Sahab, he told, the attrition rate which you are having, you take a lot of efforts. Hem sir told me, you take a lot of efforts in, selecting a person, training him, and then making him your delivery boy. He goes and delivers your product. Suddenly, some unscrupulous person finds and poaches him and starts selling something else. So that is one of the challenges, that your trained manpower is being usurped by certain unscrupulous element. और आपने तो बिल्कुल साफ साफ बोला कि हमें चिट फंड वालों से बचाइए, बिल्कुल definitely. So I want to let everyone know that regarding the monitoring mechanism, right after this, sir's visit and Jayesh Ranjan sir under his guidance, because he is the pioneer. Let me tell you the kind of contribution Jayesh Ranjan Saab has single-handedly done. I am associated with him since long, almost 2 decades. Sir, when I was Joint Commissioner, Law and Order Cyberabad, so that was one of the program first which we attended. So he has been really spearheading it, and I am standing by his side like his lieutenant. And I assure you that monitoring mechanism and the guidelines will soon be in the place. I plan to do that within 2 weeks, sir. A detailed guidelines with a monitoring mechanism which will safeguard you from the unscrupulous elements, and please don't mind me saying, which will safeguard the customer rights also, because that's also equally important. See, certain things I would like to mention here, that consumer rights ultimately, long back, there was a saying that let buyers be aware. Let buyers be aware. So seller doesn't have much responsibility. That was in the last century. Then slowly the concept changed. Now they are saying that let the seller be aware what he is selling. I am sure you must be knowing. There is a long history of the evolution of the entire thing. But then now the law casts certain responsibilities on the sellers. That there are 6 rights. I'll not waste time in, I'm sure you are all aware, that customer is the king ultimately. He decides. He decides who will grow, who will flourish, who will, go out. The survival of the fittest. So I request that while we are all committed to provide you a sustainable ecosystem, and Telangana is a leader in that. Telangana has been a leader in that. So, we also request you to kindly not only make contacts with the customers only through your direct selling, but provide the platform, because right to be heard is also there in the Right of Consumer Act, Protection Act. So let him be informed, have a connect with him. Have a connect with him offline, online, sometime telephonically, and that is there. Please keep that in mind. And the greatness of this industry is that you can start from what? You can start with a very minimal investment, and you can grow exponentially if you have the talent and if your products are good. So it basically incentivizes the talent and incentivizes the right product. And I'm really pleased to know that 53% of the women are there. And look at the energy in the hall. Though here we find a limited participation of women, but then the this age profile from young gentlemen sitting here up to the matured people, but the kind of energy you are having, they are also showing. I was seeing them speaking. In fact, some of them have infused greater energy than the youth. So 2 things have emerged over a period of time. One is women power, one is youth power. So I want all of you, and let me pause for a second to introduce my team. Padma, Deputy Commissioner, and Vani Bhavani. So I want to tell you that I also have 2 children who is looking after this subject, right? So by that way you can understand that we are really serious about it. Now, you have to understand one thing, that there are certain the people who have gone out of business because of you. They are finding shelter somewhere else. It's a fact, sir. It's a fact that the middlemen and all that, they have all gone out. They are some of them may start something else. So one thing is, be committed to what you sell and sell only that, and nothing else. And nothing else. Let nobody piggy ride on your delivery boy. And one very humble suggestion I would like to make, because I was Commissioner of Police Rachakunda before that this piggybacking with the reputed company is growing dangerously. I don't want to name the companies, but the boy who is supposed to deliver pizza delivers something else.
Yes.
He is trapped in between by these unscrupulous people. So we have number of cases, and I was careful enough that because it's not the fault of the company, so I never named the company, but we found number of delivery boys, who bring direct shame and bad name to the direct selling. I don't want to go any deeper than that. You have got the point that he's supposed to deliver pizza. He's supposed to deliver pizza only. He can't start piggybacking on some other thing. So please make sure of that. And ultimately, there are certain challenges that while it's a huge cost.